on the cherry picker to inspect the top of the masts and make sure that I can make the rest with the bosun's ladder next. It's fine, it's nice. It's good to have a bird's eye view. It's really nice. So when the Yin Yang was off the water in October 2019, she was immediately water pressurized, water blasted, in order to remove all the marine growth and sediments, and this is how she was found in February, being dry completely. Thank God there was no osmosis, the rigidness of the hull remained intact. However, a lot of job to be done preserving and maintaining the hull. And this is how it all started. Hello again from Syros dockyard. It is the 12th of February, Wednesday evening, late evening. Rather tired, been working all day hard with the hull, fairing, patting and dealing with details. All going well. Tomorrow I will sand her second time and then she will be ready for priming. I'm more than delighted that I am here back in my old island where it all started from, back in my roots if you like, where I learned the sea and where I grew up. The Yin Yang is here, she's getting ready, prepared, and I'm more than delighted that I have the experience. I have the chance to live the experience of restoring and refurbing, maintaining my first boat and getting her ready to welcome guests back on board in May. Until then, I have a lot of things to do, but I'm more than happy that I have the chance to do that myself. So I'm enjoying every moment. Even though it's winter, the days are spectacular. It will not be like that. I know it will get worse, but for the time being it's really superb, and I truly enjoy it. It's late evening now, so I think I have to stop and go to rest before the sun goes down. Hope you enjoy it. I'll be continuing sharing with you all my experiences. Right now I'm marking the small gaps, scratches, better, where after the water blast some part of the anti-fouling has gone. So I'm using putty, actually a 2-component epoxy putty, to fill up the gaps, and then I'm gonna sand it, drink it even and fed it, and then I'm gonna prime it. And this is the job for today. It's rather cold, but other than that is nice, and yeah, a nice day. Hello again. It's Thursday morning of the 13th of February. Here in Syros, in Tarsanas, as is the name of the traditional boatyard. Day 3 that I'm dealing here with the chaos, working in the hull, preparing the boat. I will have the third layer of putty today and fairing and start with some priming, continuing hopefully all day with that, and then next week it should be the upper part of the freeboard. It's rather cold, it's really nice, and most of it is intriguing that I'm feeling that I'm doing something truly productive, and that makes it special for me. Leaving a career of the merchant marine behind me and dealing with my own business is something that I've been working on for quite long. The time has come and I truly enjoy it. I will keep you posted with all the latest updates of my progress. Hope you enjoyed as I did. Hi there. It is the next week. It is here Tuesday evening, the 25th. It has been really busy. I am working a lot with mostly sanding and fairing. Started varnishing the deck around. The preps of the underwater part of the vessel are almost ready. We have to work with the gel coat to make some repairs in the bow. The relocation of the anchor lead forward is on the way. Electronic engineer is coming. The engineer is finished with the engine and also with the electrician finished with the starter. Still long way to go, less than a month to be in the water and moving on, but it's gonna be hectic, tiring. It's almost night now, it's after 6 o'clock in the evening. I'm here since 7 o'clock in the morning, but for a reason I remain optimistic. But first I have to move all that to the warehouse, so time to work. Hello there, this is Thursday, the 27th of February. I just realized that February has gone and I'm not where I wanted to be. It is until the 20th of March that I want to be in the water, and that will take a long time. I've almost finished with most of the varnish on the forward part being sanded down to wood and twice coated with protective oil base, and then it should be the two components varnish the final. That will take a long time. The engine is almost done. Electrician is still working, electronics engineer. Sailmaker will work a little bit with the lazy bags that we're gonna make, and the deck carpenter will come also next week, giving refreshment in the deck itself, the teak. Other than that, busy with a lot of things. Tired and happy as usual, and most of all optimistic. I will give a long weekend to myself today, and I should be back next week. See you then.